So what a momentous day we have here. For all of you who've worked on this project since the beginning, I absolutely know for certain that there's no other team in the industry could deliver a car like you can deliver this Bentayga.
It's the largest investment in Bentley's history. Thank you for the hard work and thank you for your commitment.
This is the most powerful, the fastest, the most luxurious and the most exclusive SUV in the world. I present to you the new Bentley Bentayga.
An amazing car.
Really proud to be here to see the launch.
It's fantastic for the future of Bentley Motors.
This is a proud day for Bentley, it's a proud day for the team, it's a proud day for the business.
It's the Bentley brand, it speaks for itself.